Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to tell you how you can easily create any emoji using the Genmoji in your iPhone 17. At first, open your messages app, or where do you want to send message to. Here, for example, and tap the emoji button in the text label. Tap Genmoji right there. And now, as you can see, here you have some suggestions, but let's not talk about these suggestions because here you can just tap them. Tap this create emoji, and for example, you can say here, man looking out of the window. And here, sentence. Here we can choose a person, emoji, and select. Here is our emoji. I can tap the stick icon to send this emoji to our recipient. That's it, how it helps you, and goodbye.